You gotta have, a counter pressure here when you hit here, so that it doesn't like, you can't put your arm like this and like you hit with the wrist. There you go. So that it doesn't. Sometimes you can put cheese with an omelet. I've been thinking about something, by the way. Have you ever heard like people telling you stuff like, hey, you're an idiot, right? Like when someone looks at you and says, "My God, you're a fucking idiot." Ever happens? It happens to me all the time. Of course, it's like something that I've grown up hearing, basically. So, if someone calls you an idiot and you get offended, it means that you have this kind of attitude that you think that you're superior to people, and this is essentially Nazi philosophy. Like the Jews are inferior, the homosexuals are inferior, the handicapped people are inferior. Adolf Hitler wanted to kill like handicapped people, say, oh, it costs too much money. They had all these propaganda posters and all that. Handicapped people alive, let's just kill them. They don't serve anything, that they're useless to our society, and they cost money. We should kill them. That's what you're doing. But if someone calls you an idiot and you get mad, you're essentially no different than Adolf Hitler. I mean, there's for fuck's sake, what the fuck did make them like that? Here we go. For fuck's sake, this is. Anyway, so just think about that or something, and I'm really angry because I have an appointment with a dentist tomorrow. Oh, for fuck's sake, dude. Oh my God. Disgusting.